Thank you. Cool. So we'll start with the session. Yesterday we discussed some programs. Today we'll continue to discuss 2-3 other programs too, so that you will get some idea on how to write if statement. Okay. This is the program which we discussed yesterday, that is about to check whether a given year is a leap year or not. Okay, folks. And for this, I told, of course, we can also do it in through ternary operator. Also, we can do whether the given year is a leap year or not. Okay. But I would like to write it through nested if statement. That's why I have written outer if, then I have written inner if, then I have written inner of inner if. This is to just to know about how do you write the inner if or nested if statements. And the second program is just to know about how do we work with the inner if again, whether the second number divides the first number or not. Okay, so today we'll start with the next application. Okay. Let's see what the program that we are going to write.
photo daddy office
Yeah. Folks, let's go ahead. So today also we'll write the first, there are 1-2 applications we'll write again on if statement. Okay. So once we got to know about the if statement, then we will go with the switch statement. If and switch are basically called as selection control statements, right? In selection control, we know if statement and we also know there is a switch statement as well. So we will also start with the switch statement today, but first we'll start writing some programs on if statement. Okay. So the program which we are discussing now is going to be a program which uses a class called as local date. I'll tell you first of all. In Java, there is a class called local date, like a scanner class, how you know. You also need to know one class called as local date. Okay. This class we are going to use in our next program. Online folks, so please try to listen to me clearly. Okay, there is a class called as local date. And this class generally we use to represent the date. Okay, this class we use to represent a date in Java application, not the time. We have classes like local date, which particularly represents day of the month, month and year. There is a class called as local time as well. Of course, we are not using that in our program today, but I'm just talking about there are classes like this in Java. This is local time. Local time class represents hour, minute, and seconds. It only represents time without a day, month, and year. Next one is there is a class called as local date time. So this class represents both date as well as time also. Like this, we have the different classes in Java, but we are going to use only this class today. Which class? Local date class we are going to use today. Folks, in online, try to understand. Okay, there is a class called as what? Local date. This class is used to represent what? Day of the month, month and year. That is only the date. Okay, first let me open local date class. It is from a package called time. There is a class called as what? Local date. I'm just clicking on that. So, okay, we no need to read anything on this, but it is a date without a time zone. Okay, it is a date without a time simply. Okay, folks, now listen to me. Inside this local date class, there is a method. There are multiple methods are there. There is a method called now. What is the method name? Now, N-O-W. This method local date dot now. If I call this method, it obtains the current date from the system clock. Means how do you get this today's date from the system? Suppose on the system today is what, 17th May 2024. How to get this? I have to call the method local date dot now. Folks, am I clear now? If I write like this, local date today equals to, just observe it, folks. Local date dot now. These are all we are going to use in our next program. What is the purpose of this statement? What this statement? Yeah, it returns the system date, current date, current system date. Okay, na? There is a class called what finally? Local date. Folks, there is something which I want to explain. There is a method called parse. Everybody try to understand. There is a method called parse. This is to convert a string into the date format. There is a method called parse. Parse is a method. Obtains an instance of local date from a text string such as 2007-12- means what? Year, month, day. Okay. Everybody try to understand now. Okay. If I have a string like this now, 2007-12-03 means what? Year 2007, December is month 12, December 3rd date. If you give a string like this, it will be converted to local date object by calling a method called what? Parse. Okay, right? So in our next example, let's talk about what is our current example. Our example is like this now. In our example, what we'll do? We will take a coupon start date and a coupon end date as input. Coupon start date input. Coupon end date input. We'll take two inputs, coupon start date, coupon end date. Then we have to check, is the today is in between start date of the coupon and end date of the coupon or not. Which means what? If the coupon, if today is between the start date and end date of the coupon, which means what, that coupon I can use now, today. I can use a coupon now. If coupon start date is next month, today is May 17th, but start date of the coupon is valid from 1st June, which means what? I can't use this coupon today. Means how to use conditions like if, else if. That's what example, right? Very good. If suppose coupon is already expired, coupon end date is 16th May, but today 17th May, which means what? That coupon is expired. You can't use that coupon no more, right? That coupon is no more. That coupon is expired. So which means we want to check whether by taking the input as a coupon start date and coupon end date, we have to check whether is that coupon can I use today, or can I use this coupon in future, or is the coupon is expired. Online folks, am I clear? Did you got the example essence? What is the essence of this program? Have you understood? In online, guys, in online, have you understood the example essence? What we are trying to do? Have you understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Very, very nice. Very nice. Did you got the example, folks? Everyone, are you clear with this? Shall we start the coding now? But whenever we take the input from the keyboard, like a start date of the coupon or end date of the coupon, we will be getting string now. what method I just now shown you, parse method, that will convert from string to the date. Then we have the methods like is before, is after. We can call those methods. Based on the methods, we can just verify whether that coupon is valid coupon, or the coupon can be used in future, or that coupon is expired. Did you got my example, folks, online people? People in online?
Yes.
Yep. Sorry. Folks in online, did you get my example? Shall we start writing the program for this now? Okay. Yeah. Let's start writing this program, folks. Hey, everyone. I'm just writing a new Java project. Okay. Just I'm writing my project name as coupon program. Or coupon validation program, whatever it is. Your choice, guys, whatever the name that you want, you can write. So our program is a coupon validation program. I want to click on finish now. And so that I got a coupon validation program here as a project, Java project. Then go to src folder. First delete the file called module-info.java. As of now, there is no use of this file. In further classes, I will explain what is the use of this. As of now, there is no use of this file. What can I do simply? I can delete the file. Then I should start writing the new class. Okay. The class name is, first package name will enter. What is the package name will enter? com.ashokit.basics. Something I'm writing. That's a package name. Followed by what, guys? Next, name. Class name. Class name is a coupon test. With main method. Check the box main. Public static void main checkbox. Then what? Click on finish. Guys, are you clear with this point? Am I clear with you? Okay. I would like to write the comment on the program. What's the comment on this program? This program reads a coupon start date and end date as input. That's what it will do first, right? Okay, then what it checks? It checks whether the coupon, okay, the coupon can be used today, or I mean, the coupon can be used now or in future or expired. Guys, everyone got this point? Online folks, can you speak out? Online folks, can you speak out on this now? Have you understood this example essence? Can you speak out, please? Online folks? Anyone online?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks. Thanks. Yeah. Guys, first of all, tell me, if at all I want to, take the input from the keyboard, do you guys know that there is a class in Java which can be used to take the input from keyboard, right? Who is that class? Scanner. So scanner SC equals to new scanner of system.in. Folks, am I clear with you? Online people, am I clear? System.in. Now, this, whenever a user runs the program, whoever is running this program, whenever somebody runs this program, then this program should show some message to the user saying that what? Please enter the coupon start date. then user will enter the start date. But while entering the start date also, this program should also ask the user that you have to enter the date in so and so format. In which format the date must be entered? First year, hyphen, not slash, hyphen, month, hyphen date. That is a format that user has to enter. User should not enter 17th May 2024, comma, full stop. This is not accepted. Am I clear, right? Means what this program also should tell the user that you have to enter in this format. So system.out.println, please enter coupon start date. Okay. Format. Guys, what the format that user has to use? YYYY hyphen MM hyphen DD. Am I clear? Okay. Take that into one string variable. String str1 equal to sc dot next line. Even I can call next method also. Okay, next line. Guys, am I clear with you? This is to enter which date? Start date. System.out.println, please enter coupon end date. Format YYYY hyphen MM hyphen DD in this format. Okay. String str2 equals to sc dot next line. Please understand me, folks. Folks, please understand me. See, for example, first my program is asking what, please enter coupon start date. Suppose the start date is given like this, folks. Start date is given like 2024 hyphen. Okay. Let's say, for example, 04 means April 15th. So from where the coupon start date? April 15th. It is valid till June 15th, for example, assume that. Okay. See, whenever user has given this input, what this next line method will do, will read this like a string. And this string will be stored in which variable, folks? str1. But whenever he press enter key, see, after entering this data, people will enter, after giving this input, next will press enter key only, na? If you press enter key, folks, enter is also one key. Actually, enter key can be used to go to next line. Then what happens now? When you press enter, enter will be taken as an end date. Are you getting my point? This is taken as what date? Start date of the coupon. But whenever you press enter key, enter will be taken as a end date. Because enter is also one character. Are you getting my point? It's a string. Able to follow me? That character will be taken as an end date. You are getting my point? Which means what? It is not waiting for me to take my end date, coupon end date. It is directly taking enter as end date. That's why to read this enter key in between these two, I am just writing one sc dot next line. Okay, na? Then tell me now, this will do what? It will read the enter key. But enter key I don't want to store anywhere. That's why I am not writing into any other variable like string str3 or something. I am not doing that. I think you people are getting my point, right? Online folks? Online folks, am I clear with you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you. Very good. Folks, tell me now. This str1 contains the start date of the coupon. str2 contains what? end date of the coupon. What we have to do now? They are strings, but we need to convert them into date format in Java. Parse. Very good. See guys, converting from string to date in Java. Am I clear? I'm writing a comment, just comment for your, you want to understand it, right? Converting from where to where, guys? String to date in Java.
Date in
How do
Java,
we
yeah.
convert from string to date in Java? Let's see. Local date. Start date equal to some variable name. Local date dot parse of str1. Folks, am I clear with you? Online folks, am I clear with you? Local date end date equal to local date dot what? Parse of what? str2. Am I clear with the two dates? Now what I have to check? Now today I need today's date also, because I have to check whether today that coupon is valid or not. Okay. Fetching current system date, clock date or system clock date, anything. Local date today equal to local date dot now. That's it. These lines are okay for you, online folks? Online folks, is these lines are okay for you? Have you understood these lines?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Thanks. Folks, observe here, everyone. My if condition start. If, please understand, today, folks, if today that is before start date. Tell me guys what you have understood. Today is before the start date of the coupon. Suppose today is 17th. Start date of the coupon is June 1st. What does it mean? Today is before the start date. If it is before the start date, can we use this coupon today? No, we can't use this coupon today, but we can use it in future. Able to follow me? Everybody in online? So what should I write here? System.out.println. You can use this coupon in future. Just a 100 message like that. This is called if condition. Our intention is to know about if, else if, such kind of things. Folks, tell me. Else if. Today is. Please try to understand the concept here, folks. Okay, na guys? Today is after. Today is after start date, and today is before end date. Folks, am I clear? What does it mean? Today is after start date and today is before end date, which means I can use a coupon. It's valid coupon now. We can use it now, not in future. Now we can use it. Yes. Even if today is equal to start date, also we can use it now. Okay. Today is 17th May. Coupon start date also 17th May only. Can I use today? Yes. Means we can also check with equal. So means I can do two things. Today is after start date, or today is equal start date. This is one condition. Today is what, guys? after start date, or today is equal to start date. What does it mean? Either today is equal to the start date or today is after the start date. I want to keep them into one parenthesis. Next, and today is, guys, today is what? Before end date or today is equal to start date. So we can do one thing. Anyhow, today is equal to start date is there. Today equal to end date also required now. Or what's the or now? Today is equal end date. I want to keep them in parenthesis. So don't confuse with the parenthesis. Tell me whatever we write in parenthesis, that will be executed first. So there is a first parenthesis. Tell me what the first parenthesis contains. Today is after start date or today is equal to start date. Okay. And what the next one? This is, for example, this is true. Okay, this is true. And next, today is before end date or today is equal to end date. Suppose if this is also true, then tell me that coupon is in between start date to end date. Na? Then tell me that coupon can be used today. Yes. For the system.out.println statement. SOP what? SOP. Okay. SOP. You can use this coupon today. Am I right or not? You can use this coupon today or not? Yes, we can use this coupon today. Or you can use coupon now, whatever it is. Guys, else, if again, if I am writing, else if. Guys, tell me now. Today is after what date? End date. Tell me if today is after any date of the coupon. Can I use a coupon now? No. What's the message to say? Yes. Coupon is expired. Guys, coupon is expired. Coupon is expired. Folks, am I clear to all of you? Did you guys got the point? Am I clear with you all? Coupon is expired. I'm not writing any else block. I don't want to write else block because already I covered all these things. There is no else for this. Can you speak out whether have you understood this or not? Yes, folks.
Can you please explain that like else if why we use 2 times else if
Yeah, I'll tell you.
instead of then because there is one if.
Okay.
Can you explain whole if block once again? I'm really not sure. Why do we
Yeah.
need to write or and
I'll tell you.
and conditions both?
Yes. See, let us take this as a part 1 that I kept in one parenthesis. This is part 2 I kept in one more parenthesis. See, for example, today is the start date of the coupon. 17th May is the starting date of a coupon. Guys, today also 17th date only. Then tell me both are equal. If they are equal, I can use the coupon today also. Because start date is today. For example, start date is 17th, but today is 19th, for example, 19th May is today, start date is 17th May. Okay, means what? Today is after start date. If today is after start date, you also need to check what? Today is before end date or not? For example, the start date of the coupon is, observe here, guys. Sorry, I'm writing here. Today, example, 19th May. It's actually 17th May, but I'm talking 19th May. Today, start date, I'm writing simply SD, 17th May. End date, 18th May. On 17th is the start date, 18th is end date immediately. Then tell me, can I use this coupon now? No. That's why what I'm checking first. What I'm checking now? Today is after start date or today is equal to start date. What is the today now? 19th. Start date is 17th. Means once today is after start date. True. Second, today is before end date. Hey, are you getting my point or not? What's the end date? 18th. But today is what? So 19th is not before 18th. Or today is equal to end date. Today is what? 19th. End date is what? Not equal. Which means what? The first condition is true, but the second condition is false. Then tell me, logical end operator returns false, no? Because in logical end operation, you know that if both the conditions are true, then only the end will return true. I think you understood my point. For example, end date is 19th, not 18th. It is 19th, folks. Then today is not before end date, but today is equal to end date, na? 19th and 19th. Means the second one is also going to be true. The first one is also going to be true. I can use a coupon today. Am I clear now? Folks in online, you asked about a doubt. Are you clear with this now?
Yes.
Are you getting my explanation now by taking these dates and all?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Folks. Sorry, am I clear now, folks? Good. Let's run this program first. Let's see. We'll run this program for 2 to 3 times and let's understand. What's asking me, guys? Please enter. Start date of the coupon. Coupon start date. In which format? Year hyphen month hyphen day. 2024 05 15. Which means start date of the coupon 15th May 2024. Guys, 15th May. Next, what's asking me? Please enter the coupon end date. The coupon end date is 2024 hyphen 05 hyphen 20. Guys, what is today? Today is 17th May. End date is 20th May. Start date is 15th May. Am I clear now? Then tell me, can I use a coupon today? Yes.
Yes.
What's the message? You can use
You
this
can
coupon
use-
today.
Yes.
Very good. Let's run this program one more time. Coupon start date 2024 05 25th May. Start date 25th May. Today 17th only. Next one, coupon end date 2024 05 31st. Guys, tell me when it will end. End of the month 31st May. Start date of the coupon is how much? 25th May.
20.
From 25th May, it will start. At 31st May, it will end. What is today? 17th only. Can I use a coupon today? But can I use a
No.
coupon
No.
in future?
Yes.
Yes. What's the message? You can use this coupon in future. Very good. Let's run this program again. Coupon start date 2024 05 sorry 10. Yeah, folks. Tell me now. What is the start date of the coupon? 10th May 2024. Okay. End date 2024 05 15th. What's the start date? 10th May. Starting from 10th May, it is valid up to 15th May. But what is today? 17th May. Which
17.
coupon is expired? I can't use the
Yes.
coupon no more, right?
Yes, it is expired.
What's the message? Coupon is expired. Let us run for last time. Coupon start date 2024 05 15. Coupon end date 2024 05 17. When it starts, start date of the coupon 15th May, day before yesterday. End date today, 17th May. Am I clear? Today end date. Can I use coupon today? Yes.
Yes.
Tomorrow I cannot use expired, but today I can use a coupon.
Yes.
You can use this coupon today. Did you guys got the answer? Am I clear with this program, everyone, guys?
Yes. Yes.
Thanks. Sorry.
Sir,
Yeah.
I have one doubt.
Yeah, sure.
So if I'll the after 12 a.m., if the coupon going to expire, so how can we validate that one?
After
12 a.m., right?
automatically system date will change now.
Date change after 12.
System date is today, right? Today means we are getting the system date only now. Today means system date, right? Whenever, for example, if your system clock represents midnight 12 o'clock, automatically date also will change from system clock. It will become 18th May instead of 17th May. Okay?
It automatically validate,
Yeah,
right?
automatically. Yes. Why not?
Yeah.
Done. Done.
And line number 22, and it will not add the sc.next line.
Then
Just-
also it will work. Yeah. I mean, just what I'm saying is whenever we are reading strings, it's better to, keep that enter into a new line. I mean, into a new string variable. That's why I added this line.
Okay.
Now you are not getting any issue. But if there is something called as first I am reading a string value, then I am reading a number integer value or a double value, then you will get a problem. So commonly when you are reading between two strings or when you are reading from string then integer, then better to add this next line.
Okay, got it. Thank you, sir.
So
Yeah, I have a question. Just about like after if, then we use if else. Can we use then after that else instead of
you are
else?
asking about here.
Yes.
Okay. If you don't want to check any condition, then you can write directly else.
Okay.
Okay, else then you write whatever the message you want. But my intention is what I even want to check whether
It's the one
that
condition.
today is after end date or not, is a coupon is expired or not.
Okay. Thank you.
That's what it else. Okay. If you wanted else, nothing. Suppose you wanted you
Just
don't want to
print
print
the
any,
message.
then you can add else.
Okay. Thanks.
So folks, I would like to keep this example into the document on today's date. Okay. Next, I would like to copy the code. Okay, I told already the document consists everything, including programs and all, right? Now, guys, next one. Before we enter into switch state, yeah. Folks, am I clear with this example? Shall we go to the next example? Shall we try the next one? Okay.
Yes.
See, guys, next example, you need to you need to write the example for this. See, I'm just giving the overview. Try to write the code for this. What is the program you have to take? See, guys. I'm sorry. Now, okay, guys, what I'm trying to tell you now is what I'm trying to tell you is you have to take the input as a minutes. It's not related to date class or nothing. It is not related to anything related to local date or local time, just like normal calculation only. You have to take the, what is the input now? Input you take as minutes, some minutes you take. If it is less than 0, it is an invalid input. If that minutes is less than 0. Otherwise, if it is greater than or equal to 0, able to follow me? It is greater than or equal to 0, then you have to display, convert the minutes to years and days. Convert those minutes into years and days. Take a long minutes value, not int value. Take long. For example, I think if you take something called 515600, 515600 minutes is equal to 1 year. 1 year, 0 days. I think 515600. Otherwise, we use calculator to calculate now because 1 hour, 60 minutes. Per day, we have 24 hours. Per year, we have 365 days, which means what? We use calculator. Calculator we use. Tell me, guys, what 365 into 24 into 60. 525600, not 515. 525600 means, guys, suppose if the given input is 525600, then equal to 1 year, 0 days. Able to follow me, right? Everybody is getting this point? Okay. For example, 24 into 60. 1440 means what? Per day, 1440 minutes are there. Okay, 1004 minutes are there. Plus 52560 equal to. If the input is 527040, 527040, if the input is like this, 525, sorry, not 525, 527040 minutes equal to 1 year, 1 day. Your output should be like this now. You have to print output like this. What is the input? Minutes. If minutes less than 0, invalid input.
Invalid.
Otherwise, convert that minutes into years and
Days.
days. Do you guys got the point now? Yes.
Mm.
So please try writing this program. And output you print like this now. These many minutes, if input is given like this, these many minutes is equal to 1 year, comma, 0 days. Output you have to print like this. Print output in this format. Okay, na? Please try writing this program. Try. Online folks, please try. Yeah. Folks, let's write this. Let's conclude these programs. First, I'm creating a new Java project. The project name is, let's say, minutes to years program. Okay, let's click on finish. Let's go ahead and see module info.java file. We'll delete this. Then we have something called src. Right click new class. Class name is minutes to years. So any class name, but you should follow naming conventions. Okay. Minutes to years with the public static void main. So I got a class called minutes to years. Okay. Folks, first I won't write the, sorry, I think I forgot to add the package name. Okay. If I don't add the package name, it will come under default package. So don't worry about that. Okay. So that's why you are not observing the first statement called package statement, because I'm not given any package in the box. If I don't give any package name in the box, then my program will be saved under default package. So that we do not worry. We don't need to worry about that. We don't need to worry about that. Folks, am I clear now? Yes. Let's see here, guys. So this program converts minutes to years and days. That's the program now, right? So if minutes less than 0, then what should I say? Invalid input. So first take the scanner object, new scanner of system.in, obviously scanner of system.in. Folks, am I clear? Next, I would like to, folks, then I would like to write system.out.println. What I should say? Enter minutes. Then take the minutes now. Long, because it could be long value, no? Tell me sc dot next long. Okay, minutes is always going to be long value. Now first try to understand how to calculate, okay, how to calculate say long. Okay, I'm writing like this now. Min underscore per underscore day. Some variable name like this. Means what? Minutes per day, or let's say minutes per year. Minutes per year. Tell me how to calculate minutes per year. First of all, calculate minutes per 1 hour. 1 hour minutes 60 per day. 24 into 365 means 60 into 24 into 365. This is called minutes per year. Long minutes per, okay, minutes per day equal to 60 into 24. Guys, am I clear with you? I got two variables now. Then tell me first, if minutes less than 0, system.out.println invalid input. Else, then start doing work. What the work next? First convert into years now. Long years is equal to minutes divided by minutes per year. Am I right or not? Guys, if given input is 525600, minutes per year also 525600 only, na? 525600 divided by 525600 means output is 1 year. Am I right or not? Because slash means division returns quotient, not the remainder, quotient. Yes, means 1 year. We got something like that. Years is okay. But if the input is 527040, then still there are 1440 is pending. So how do you calculate now? Long days is equal to minutes. Yeah, I'll say minutes divided by minutes per day modulus 365. Okay, tell me guys, please understand me. If a minutes value is 527,040. Everyone guys, understand. What's the minutes value? 525, 525, 525, 527, right? 527,040 is equal to 1 year, 1 day, na? First, tell me 527,040 divided by minutes per year. We know how many minutes per year? 525,600. 525,600. 525,600 into 1 ja. What the output? 525,600. Remaining how much? 1440. Leave it, 1440. My question to all of you. Here we are using division operator. Division returns what? Quotient. What the quotient now? 1. This is remainder, right? But we want remainder or quotient? Quotient. What is the quotient? 1. Tell me this 1 will be stored in a variable called years, na? Now, is this part is clear? Is this part is clear to everyone? Very good. Tell me what is the value in years now? 1. Next again. I'll delete this. Once again, folks. Tell me how much minutes now? 527,040 divided by minutes per day. How many minutes per day? Per day, how many minutes? 1440. 1440. Guys, am I clear? Everyone, am I clear? Guys, everyone, am I clear? Yes?
sir. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Guys, tell me 527,040 divided by, let's use calculator. 527. Guys, tell me what is it? 527,040 divided by 1440. 36440 equal to how much? 366. This is 366 na? Modulus 365. 365 1 ja 365. How much is remaining? 1. Means days is 1 na?
Mm.
Now tell me what the output now. 1 year, 1 day. Hey, everybody is getting this point? Very good. Then what should I write? System.out.println. Output should be like this now. System.out.println. Folks, SOP minutes plus in string minutes. How many minutes I gave? That minutes equals to plus years plus years comma plus days plus days. Did you get my point, guys? Output I want to print like this now. Tell me, here minutes value will come. What is the, for example, if the given input is, folks, for example, if the given input is 525600. For example, given input is, how many minutes I gave? 525600 minutes is equal to, that's what output na. Next, we are concatenating years na. How many years? 1. Years value is 1 plus adding years word na. Years comma then next days na. 0. Days become 0 now. 0 days. So 525600 minutes is equal to 1 year 0 days. If the input is 527040, then 1 year 1 day. You are getting this point? Everyone in online, are you getting my point? Folks in online, are you getting my point? Yes?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, thanks. So let's run this program, folks. What the input I gave? 527040 is equal to how much? 1 year 1 day. 1 years 1 days. Okay, right? If you add, for example, 5, let's just one thing, guys. Let's calculate like this now. Let's use calculator. In the calculator, what I want to use is plus 1440 plus 1440 plus 1440. If I give input as 531360, input is what? 531360. Tell me if the input is 531360 minutes is equal to 1 year 4 days. 1 year 4 days. 1 year 4 days. Guys, are you clear with this program? Yes, I would like to copy this program. Please practice them. Online people. Okay, the program is copied into our document. Am I clear, folks, so far? Okay, let's go ahead and discuss about switch statement. So far we discussed about which conditions? If. We know if else, we know else if ladder, we know nested if. Yesterday we discussed some programs on nested if also. So far we discussed all our programs on if, right? What is the another selection statement? Switch. Switch statement. Guys, we are going to work with the switch statement now. Hey, online folks, we are going to work with the switch statement. Working with the switch statement. So, you know, if statement already. If is called a selection control flow statement. These are called control structures or control statements. Okay. Like selection control statements, iterational control statements, jumping statements. These are all comes under Control statements. Control statements are divided into 3 categories. Na? What are the 3 categories, folks, in online? Selection statements, iterational statements, jumping statements. We are currently discussing about selection statement, the first one. Under that, there are 2 more statements are there. One is if statement and switch statement. Again, under if, there are 4 types. Simple if else, else if later, and nested if. We discuss all the 4. Now we are entering into the second one, which is switch statement. The question comes here, when do we use switch statement? Because if already we know, then what is the use of switch statement? Are you getting my point or not? Okay, please try to get the point here. See, I have a variable x. X is one variable. Okay, and I want to compare this x, the value of x variable, with multiple values. Let us say 1, 2, 9. I want to compare the x value with 1 to 9. Tell me, how do you write if conditions? X is one variable, but you want to compare x with 1 to 9 values. How do you compare? Folks, if x is equal to 1, if x is equal to 1, do this.
And
Do this. Just I'm writing comment, okay, for explanation. Do this. Else if
equal to 2.
x is equal to 2. Am I clear, folks?
Yes.
Do this. Tell me again. Else if what? Else if what? X is equal to what? 3. Then what? Do this. Else if, tell me. X is equal to what?
4.
4. Then what? Do this.
Do something.
Like this, you should start writing if, else if, else if, else if, else if, like that.
Yes.
Folks, am I clear now? In all these conditions, are you using different variables or are you using a single variable? Single variable x. You are comparing the single variable with
Different
multiple values. What are multiple values? 1 to 9 are
1, 2,
multiple
3.
values. So when you have any requirement to compare a single variable with multiple values, then go for switch statement, because switch makes code cleaner, better, and easy to understand when compared with if. Able to get my point? If you write if, else if, else if, else if, else if, the code is not looking good. And moreover, in all these conditions, you are using single variable. You are not using different variables. You are not using in first condition A, B, in second condition B and C, in third condition B, C and D. You are not using multiple variables. How many variables you are using? Single variable. When you want to compare a single variable with multiple values, then it is better to use switch statement. Because in switch statement, variable we write for once. That variable we write for once, and we can compare it with multiple values. Like case na, case 1, case 2, case 3, up to case 9. Switch x. X is a variable. Single variable we are comparing with multiple values. Then go for which statement? Switch statement. Do you guys got the clarity online, folks? In
Yes.
online, do you guys got the clarity on when do we go for switch statement? Yes?
Yes.
sir.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Guys, tell me, when do you switch statement? Folks, when do you switch statement? Can you tell me when do we use switch statement? Yeah. If you want to compare a single variable. If you want to compare a single variable with the
Multiple values.
multiple values, then use switch statement. Am I clear, folks? If you want to compare a single variable with multiple values, then go for which statement, folks? Switch statement. Am I clear so far? Am I clear so far, guys? In online?
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Okay. All right. Good. Guys, switch statement. It's 22. Just a minute, folks. Switch statement. Switch is a keyword. S in lowercase. Switch statement takes either a variable or an expression as a parameter. Switch statement takes either a variable or an expression as a parameter. Okay, guys, what does it mean? For example, I'm writing switch of X. Guys, everybody, tell me, folks, X is what? Variable. Means what? Switch statement takes variable as a parameter. Or I can write, even I can write X plus 2 or X into 2. What is X into 2? It is an expression. It is not a variable. Expression. I can pass even expression also as a parameter. If I pass only X, it is variable. X into 2, it is an expression. So guys, tell me, it can use what or what? It can use either a variable or an expression as a parameter. That's what I'm trying to say. Am I clear, folks?
Yeah.
Yeah. And one more thing, guys. This variable must be either numeric type or a character type or a string. We can't use a double. You can't use a double like a 3.5, 4.19. We can't use like that. Folks, am I clear with you? So, guys, the variable in a switch statement must be of type integer, which means it could be int or long or byte or short. These are all comes under integer types only, na? The variable in a switch statement must be of type integer or character or a string. Okay, guys, I would like to just explain. See, I have a variable called double. Guys, I have a variable called double. D is equal to 3.45. Switch D. Okay. Case 3.1 something. Case 3.4. We can't write like this. That's what I'm trying to say. We cannot write like this. Because in switch, what the variable you are using? D. D is what? Double. It is not integer. It's a double. It is not like integer. It's have a decimal point value, right? Then tell me, can I use this variable as a parameter in switch statement? No. The variable in a switch statement must be of type integer or character or string. But not double or not float or not boolean. Hey, everybody getting my point? Okay. Suppose I have a variable called, okay, let's take boolean. Let's take boolean. Okay. Flag equals to false. Tell me, flag is a variable? Flag is a variable of data type boolean. Boolean flag is equal to false. Switch flag. Not allowed. Why? flag is a what type of variable? Boolean variable. But in switch statement, we can't use Boolean.
Boolean
What
type.
type of variables we can use? Either
Integer and
integer or what?
character.
Or we can use
Okay.
what? String. But we
String.
can't use what? Boolean.
Boolean.
Am I clear, folks? In online, am I clear with you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So guys, you got something today, and we will stop here and we'll continue tomorrow with the syntax and also with the proper examples. And we will conclude the switch statement tomorrow. Okay, right? Switch doesn't take much time. Like if we'll conclude the switch statement tomorrow, and so that we can enter into iterational control statements. What are iterational control statements? Next, we are going to start with the loops. In that, first we'll start with the for loop. It will take some time because for loop has many examples and many logics. Multiple things will come out. Folks, in online, am I clear with you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. This document, I'll share it today in the portal from where you can download it. Okay, thanks, folks. Tomorrow we'll meet. Okay, thanks.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.